Hello and welcome back to the DIYnanny channel. It is snowing outside, so I decided to stay in and try and finish my bedroom. So a while back, I did a little makeover in my bedroom. It was mostly cleaning up a lot of things that didn't belong there, but I also repainted the wall. I changed the curtains and the beddings, and I did hack an IKEA nightstand for myself, which I still very much love. Today, I'm gonna try and attack the wall above my bed and the one in front of it. You can go and check out the first video and see what was there before. So above my bed, I had an assortment of dream catchers with kind of pink flowers on them. I still kind of love this concept. I don't want the pink anymore. My room was kind of pink. It's not anymore. You can check out in the first video again. So I'm gonna remove the pink flowers. But I still want to change it a little bit. I saw some pictures of kind of a dream catchers that are all stick together, and there's like ribbons and strings on the bottom, and I really love it. So I'm gonna try and do that. I have an assortment of ribbons and yarn and stuff like that to tie to the bottom. So this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm trying to fix up this dream catchers situation right here. So this is kind of how I'm going on with this. It looks nice, and I'll have the strings and the ribbons from this one, this one, this one, and this one going down. I'm just gonna glue everything together, maybe use some string to tie it together as well, so it'll be secure. And then I'll start working on my ribbons and string. I think I'm gonna braid some of the yarn. So I've kind of hanged it above my bed, right kind of in the middle of it, just to see the height and how long I want the string to be. They're gonna be in kind of a different length, but this is, I think, the longest I should go, because I don't want it to touch the bed, obviously. So this is where it's gonna be, and now I'm gonna start working on all the yarn and string. I do have to fix out these places where I tore out the flowers. I had a white flower here. I don't know why I took it out. I took it before when I took it out of the wall. I'm thinking maybe felt flowers that I can make, or if I'll find another white like this, put it somewhere. Definitely kind of in this kind of tones, like beige, cream, white. But first I'm gonna do all the strings because I kind of have it already in hand. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna figure out the flowers. Now for the wall in front of my bed, I wanted to kind of create this piece of art. So if you saw my first video, on the drawers of the little nightstand that I hacked, I use this modeling paste to kind of give a texture. And it turned out really cool. I painted it with kind of like an ivory color and black, which I really love. I'm not sure I'll do it here. I might just leave it kind of in this natural color or paint it white, but I do have these 3 canvases, and I kind of want to make this like kind of continuous art with this modeling paste. I got this. I have some different spatulas and stuff like that to create something interesting. So we'll do that, and that's gonna go in front of my bed. So I do want to hang them with a space between them, but because I want the pattern to be kind of consistent, at least one piece of it, I'm gonna put them together and glue them from the back. This is all dry. Not the most impressive one, but it's for my bedroom and I kind of like it anyway. I'm gonna paint everything with this kind of light cream color, and I'm gonna see how it looks, and then maybe I'll go over the patterns with different colors. On my nightstand, I chose black for these patterns, but I'm not gonna do that. Probably not even gonna do all of them. Maybe just try to play with different shades of like white and cream, and maybe a little gold. I don't know. First I'm gonna paint everything the same color to see how it looks, and then I'll make a decision. I finished with the kind of base color that I wanted. And I'm kind of loving it like this. I'm not sure I even want to add like different tones of cream or something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hang it like this, and I'm gonna do a little reveal and show you this and the Dreamcatcher art. And I'm gonna live with it for a bit and see if I want to add more colors to it, but for now I like it like this.